Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session I have this mobile charger. It is not working, it is not charging the mobile phone. Let's connect and check it. When you want to open it, it is normally press fitted here. It is normally pressed in this way. Just only take a sharp screwdriver and press it here, it will open. And just it have slide fitting here, and you can pull out. You can pull out easily. Okay, let's connect power and check it. I am connecting through series lamp. First of all, I will connect a mobile phone. I connected to the mobile phone. Let's check first of all. Here we have main DC capacitor. It is 400 volt. In initial stage we can check the voltage here. If we check voltage at DC capacitor, it is 335 volt, 37 volt DC. That means the input circuit that is working properly. Here we have 236 volts, and it is rectifying, and we're taking voltage here, and here is the output DC capacitor here. After this rectifier we have 5 volt here. In the USB connector it is also 5 volt, but USB connector is not passing voltage to the the problem in the USB connector. You can see it is plugged in, but it is not charging. No charging. When we will move it, at some angle it makes connection. The USB cable is good. That means we want to replace we will replace this USB connector. I have another bad mobile charger. I have another mobile charger. I will remove the USB socket from there, or we can purchase a socket from market. I removed this one charging port, and we will remove this as well. we removed this one and I will install this one, but the difference, this USB jack have the rear side connections, so this fitting is the same, just only we will cut these two pins. So now it will be installed in the board easily. Now I will connect USB cable and we will apply power and we will check the result. Yes, it is working. Yes, that's good. If I remove now, because this charging port USB connector, it was loose. Its contacts here, these contacts, these were not matching properly. Now we will test it. It's okay now. Yes, it is giving charging sign, so that means it's good now. So you can replace USB connector if we have voltage here. The problem in this charger that this all section was working properly, just only the voltage at the output terminal of the output end of the charger, it was available 5.2 volts. Voltage at charging port, these were available, but it was not passing the voltage to the cable. So we replaced it and we recovered it. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.